Hi, how are you? Welcome to M is equal to M, that's by Mohit Bhagat. Let me start the standard 12 first unit, that is relation and function, which is already studied in the standard 11th. Okay. So, what is the relation and function? What is the importance of this chapter? This is also useful for the calculus as well as the engineering mathematics. Okay. So let me start. First topic is relation. For the relation, we first of all discuss about the subset. What is the subset? So we know that if set A is equal to 1, 2. So which are the subset of this set? Okay. So subsets are 5. Then it is 1, singleton set 2, and set A itself. So this can be find out the number of subset of this set A. So now using this subset topic we define the relation. So what is the relation? Okay. So relation के लिए पहले first of all there are two sets. Let A and B are two non-empty sets. Okay. Now each and every subset of A cross B is known as the relation from A to B. So each and every subsets of set A cross B are known as relation from A to B. So this is the definition of the relation from A to B. Okay. Each and every subset. Let me start. As for the example, say A is equal to 1, 2. A is equal to say 1, 2, and B is equal to say 3. So which are the element of A cross B? Cartesian products. It's a simple task. तो this 1, 3 order पहले आंसर आएगा. This 1, 3 and 2, 3. This is nothing but A cross B. Okay. Now each and every subset of this A cross B is known as the relation from A to B. So which are the subset of this A cross B? So now we write down the subsets of this A cross B. The first subset is what? Null set 5. Second one is singleton set, it is 1, 3, and the second one is 2, 3, and third one is set, fourth one is set itself, it is A cross B. So these all four subsets are known as the relation. So this one is also relation, these four are the relation. Now we know that A cross B is compulsory non-empty set. Okay. So every non-empty set have at least two subsets. One is null set and second one is set itself. So in each and every A cross B, there are two subsets are there. That is phi and set itself. So this phi is also known as a relation. This set itself, A cross B, is also known as the relation. So phi is known as what? Empty relation. It is an empty relation. So phi is known as empty relation. Okay. And set itself is always present A cross B, and this one is known as the universal relation. So A cross B is known as universal relation. Okay. So these are the basic two types of the relations are there. Now we further discuss about the different type of relations. First one is reflexive relation. First one is what? Reflexive relation. That is reflexive relation. Second one is symmetric relation. That is symmetric relation. Third one is transitive relation. Fourth one is equivalence relation. Fifth one is anti-symmetric relation. Anti-symmetric relation. Sixth one is triangular relation. Triangular relation. And seventh one is circular relation. Okay, so these all are the type of the relation we further discuss in this the next topic. Okay, so we already in this chapter we discuss about this 6 or 7 circular relations का कोई एक MCQ आपको पूछ सकते हैं basically, otherwise triangular the all relations are must be important. Okay, here first of all we discuss about the reflexive, symmetric, transitive. If any relation is thoroughly these three relations, that means any given relation R is a reflexive, symmetric and transitive, so we can say that this relation is a equivalence relation. Okay, so we first of all discuss about the reflexive relation, symmetric relation, transitive relation and equivalence relations. Okay. Okay, so let me start about the first relation. It is a reflexive relation. So for that, first of all, we take one example of the relation. Say there is a one set A is given. A is equal to say 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. This is set A. We have to given. Okay, and there is a one relation or defined on this set A is say R. R is equal to x, y such that x is equal to 3y. Where x and y both are belongs to capital A. Okay, what is x? X is equal to 3y. X and y both are compulsory taken from the set A. Okay, so let me start. X is equal to which are the element? If we put x and y, if we put y is equal to 1, so 3 into 1 is 3. X is equal to 3. The first element is 3, 1. Okay, if we put y is equal to 2, so 3 2s are 6, so 6, 2. If we put y is equal to 3, so 9, 3. Is that possible? No, it is not possible. Why? Because x and y both are must be belongs to capital A. If we put y is equal to 3, then it is 3, this is 9. And x is equal to 9, which is does not belong to capital A. Okay, that's why 9, 3 is does not exist. So आपके पास only there are only two elements for this relation R. It is 3, 1 and 6, 2. Okay, but basic condition is what? Basic condition is what? Now for the reflexive relation, reflexive relation. Okay. So now what is the reflexive relation? The reflexive relation के लिए क्या चाहिए? Reflexive, yes, it is reflexive. जैसे it is a word is also reflect. Reflex मतलब mirror. जैसे mirror होता है तो मैं mirror के सामने खड़ा हूँ तो मेरा reflection mirror में दिखाई देगा. तो same like as यहाँ पे भी क्या होना चाहिए? Same to same element, that is 1, 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements are there. So we must be consider first of all that 1, 1 is must be belongs to R. 2, 2 is must be belongs to R. So each and every that is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. तो ये सब element relation R में अगर होते हैं तो R is known as the reflexive relation. Okay, so for that reflection relation, first of all you have to check out. For the first of all we concentrate on the set A. There are how much element? 6 element. So first element 1. So this 1 must be belongs to relation R. तो ये जो भी हमने ऑर्डर पे लिखी है उसमें कंपल्सरी 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. All 6 elements are must be present in R. If any one is kept out of this 6, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Out of this 6, any one is missing, then relation R is not known as the reflexive relation. So that means for the reflexive relation, it is condition A, A must be belongs to relation R. So हियर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रिफ्लेक्सिव रिलेशन के लिए हमने डेफिनेशन लिखते हैं, तो लेट R be the relation on set A if a belongs to R, small a belongs to R, whereas for every small a taken from the given set, relation R is defined on what? Capital A. So for each and every element of capital A, that is A must be belongs to R, then we can say that it is a reflexive relation. If any one is skipped, so we cannot say it is a reflexive relation. So in this our question, in this our example, is it 1 is there? No, 1 is does not belongs to. So therefore we can say that 1 is does not belongs to R. So R is not a reflexive relation. Reflexive relation. So this is the fundamental of the reflexive relation. Now second is what? Symmetric. The second one is symmetric relation. Now for understanding of the symmetric relation, what we first of all say, symmetric. That is the definition of symmetric relation. If AB is belongs to R, AB is belongs to R. So symmetric, that means what happened? BA also belongs to R. The order is changed. AB belongs to R, तो BA भी belongs to R में होना चाहिए. Okay, so now in our case, first of all we see that 3 1 is belongs to R. Okay, so for this symmetric 3 1 is belongs to R, that implies क्या होना चाहिए? 1 3 must be belongs to R. Is that 1 3 belongs to R? No. 3 1 is belongs to R. Is that 1 3 belongs to R? यहाँ पे 3 1 है, 1 3 है, नहीं है. That means R is not a symmetric relation. Okay, so this is the definition for the symmetric relation. So let R be the relation defined on set A. If AB belongs to R, that implies BA belongs to R for every A and B belongs to capital A. Then R is known as symmetric relation. Okay, so this is the definition for the symmetric relation. Here also we discuss about 6 2. 6 2 is there. So 2 6 is there? No, 2 6 is not there. That's why we cannot say that it is a symmetric relation. Okay. Now third topic is transitive relation. Transitive relation के लिए क्या होगा? What is the definition of the transitive relation? Transitive is transfer. It is like a love group. Say A is known as to B and B is known as C. Okay. Person A is in the context of person B and B is in the context of person C. So using B, if we contact the direct A to C, then it is transitive relation. Okay, so for the transitive relation, if AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R, we accept it. AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, we accept it. There is a one common member, it is what compulsory B. Okay, so that implies what happened? If then it is AC belongs to R, this is AC belongs to R, then relation R is known as transitive relation. Okay, is that here positive? Is that here possible the transitive relation? Yes or no? तो पहले तो ट्रांजिटिव के लिए क्या होना चाहिए? कनेक्शन होना चाहिए. If B बीच में एक कनेक्शन होना चाहिए, A to B, B to C, then A to C. यहाँ पे कोई भी मेंबर रिपीट नहीं हो रहा है. In this particular case, in the given example, there is a no digit repeated. Here B is repeated. That's why A to C होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे कोई भी रिपीट नहीं हो रहा है. this is the optional case, so we can say that it is a transitive. अगर कोई भी डिजिट रिपीट नहीं हो रहा है, कोई भी लव गुरु नहीं है, कोई भी बीच में कांटेक्ट वाले व्यक्ति नहीं, पर्सन नहीं है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको क्या बोलेंगे, इट इज अ ट्रांजिटिव. ओके, तो ये ट्रांजिटिव है. यस, इट इज ट्रांजिटिव रिलेशन बिकॉज देयर इज अ नो कॉमन पर्सन, नो कॉमन डिजिट. If any one digit is common, okay, then we can say that we can discuss about the transitive. As for example, अगर मेरे पास 2 3 है, 2 3 belongs to R and 4 2 belongs to R, so that implies क्या होना चाहिए, तो 2 3 and 2 4, तो 2 2 कॉमन है, 2 कहाँ पे है, दिस ऑर्डर पे है, सेकंड नंबर पे और यहाँ पे फर्स्ट नंबर पे, तो यानी 4 2 belongs to R, 2 3 belongs to R, that implies ये 2 कॉमन है, तो क्या होना चाहिए, 4 3 must be belongs to R होना चाहिए. If this type of element are existed in R, 2 3 is belongs to R, 4 2 belongs to R, तो 4 3 belongs to R, then we can say that R is a transitive relation. Okay, in this case no one digit is repeated. Once again I will tell you कि यहाँ पे देख लो कोई भी digit repeat नहीं हो रहा है, that's why it is a transitive. If I write down R is equal to, suppose R is equal to 2 3 4 5 and 1 and 6, so is it transitive? Yes, it is transitive because there is a no element is repeat. Okay, but this is transitive. But here it will be under 1 3 2 4 2 5 then 3 4. Okay, is it transitive? No, because 1 3 is there, 3 4 is there, 1 3 is there, 3 4 is there, 1 3 belongs to R, 3 4 belongs to R, that implies क्या होना चाहिए, 1 4 which is belongs to R होना ही चाहिए. अगर वो नहीं है then it is not a transitive. So here 1 3 3 4 is there, तो 1 4 होना चाहिए, नहीं है, that's why it is not a transitive relation. So this is the fundamental of the transitive relation. Okay, got it? So now this one is reflexive, symmetric and transitive relation. So if any relation R follow these 3 rules, that means that if the relation R is a reflexive, symmetric and transitive, then that type of relation is known as the equivalence relation. Then it's known as the equivalence relation. So fourth one is what? Equivalence relation. What is the definition of equivalence? If relation R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, then relation R is known as equivalence relation. Okay, so for that equivalence, first of all it must be reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Out of these 3 any one is not possible. If suppose reflexive, symmetric but not transitive, then it is not a equivalence. If transitive, symmetric but not reflexive, then it is not an equivalence relation. So for the equivalence relation there are 3 conditions: reflexive, symmetric and transitive relation. Okay, so these are the 4 topics. Fifth topic is what? Fifth topic is anti-symmetric. Okay, so what is the anti-symmetric relation? So now we discuss about the anti-symmetric relation. It is fifth one is anti-symmetric relation. Symmetric में क्या था? AB belongs to R, BA belongs to R, that is symmetric. Or as for the name anti-symmetric, you think about that It's maybe it is AB belongs to R, then BA does not belong to R, then it is anti-symmetric. No. That concept is not applicable here. Okay. So for anti-symmetric, if there are two conditions, AB belongs to R and BA belongs to R. AB and BA both are must be belongs to R. That implies A is equal to B. This happen. AB belongs to R, BA belongs to R. That implies A is equal to B. Then relation R is known as anti-symmetric relation. Okay. As for example, दे सकते हैं, example बना सकते हैं. Let R be the relation defined on P of X, where X is any set, and P of X, that is power set of X. Power set of X यानी set of subsets. So this P of X में relation R is defined that R X R Y or A R B, that implies A subset B, where A and B both are belongs to capital P of capital X. Okay. तो A subset B आपको दिया हुआ है, तो we consider that first of all AB belongs to R and BA belongs to R. रिलेशन R क्या है? A और B के बीच का रिलेशन क्या है? A is subset of B and BA होगा तो B is subset of A. A is a subset of B, B is a subset of A. So we can say that A is equal to B. Therefore R is known as anti-symmetric relation. So this one is known as the anti-symmetric relation. Okay. Now next topic, it is from the anti-symmetric second last is it is triangular relation. 6 it is triangular relation. जैसे ट्रायंगल नहीं होता है A B C, A to B है, A to C है, तो B to C हो जाएगा, तो ट्रायंगल कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. तो for that we discuss about AB belongs to R, AC belongs to R, A to B belongs to R, A to C belongs to R. That implies what happen? BC belongs to R. Then R is known as triangular relation. Then R is known as the triangular relation. Okay. Then last one is what? Circular or cyclic relation. It is circular relation or cyclic relation. सर्कुलर में क्या होता है बच्चों? A से लेके B तक, B से C तक, A to B, B to C, तो C to A हो जाना चाहिए. Okay. So that means if we consider AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R, that implies what happen? क्या होना चाहिए? A to B, B to C और सर्कल कंप्लीट करने के लिए C to A. So that implies CA belongs to R. Then R is known as circular relation. Okay. But in the syllabus, particularly textbook CBSE textbook syllabus, we discuss about only 4. First one is reflexive, symmetric, transitive, and equivalence. These all are anti-symmetric, triangular and circular. All are applicable in generally इसको हम कहाँ पे JEE और दूसरे लेवल की जो एग्जाम्स एंट्रेंस टेस्ट होती है उसमें देते हैं. तो these are the basic fundamental for the relation and type of the relation. So how to apply in the different questions examples, how to use this relations, different relation in the questions or examples. So that we discuss in the next lecture. So thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.